I'm not cruising in my big rig. I'm watching idiotic ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.
Alright, so we're going to try to fix our cooling issue. Just took the radiator out. This is the radiator we had in it. And that's the radiator we're putting back. So, this radiator, as you see, it's kind of thin there. And will that thing focus on the inside there? Kind of focus right there. 3 small rows in that little diameter. That's single pass, which means comes in straight across and out. So they tell me, right? The new one goes in, back, and then out. Both inlets and outlets on the same side. And it has 2 big, you see it? 2 bigger flow things, and we went with bigger fans. It's a 16 and a 12, and it should be like, I don't remember if it's 2100. These were like 800, so should be a lot more juice, a lot more air movement. We'll see. So anyway, I had A and fittings put on the bottom. That's part of my problem right there, is that I should have it's a 16, which is small. I do that for race cars to slow the water down. Hindsight, I wish I'd done 20s, but at this point we're too deep in. Well, we're not too deep. We could change it all, but we're going to try this, see what happens. If it don't work, we'll cut the bottom off, go back to what came on it, and run a radiator hose big at the bottom. If that don't work, then we'll do the top the same way. If that don't work, we'll change over to Evans coolant. Well, first we'll go to 40 below. If they don't do it, then we'll go to Evans coolant. So let's put it in there. Hopefully there's more water moving at a slower pace through the radiator. Hopefully it does the trick. We will find out. Yeah, look, you got in there too. They used to say, they used to always get 2. That's fuel. Hang on, where's that? Where is it at? 10. 10, right there. So far, looking good. I'm going to try this thing in traffic. Huh? Boy, you couldn't do that. I think that might work. I think we got it. What was wrong was the fans were wired backwards. On the new radiator. We got them both wired up. several relays this time. This one's on Elderbrock, fan 1. This one's on sensor the radiator and set the blow, and the truck's turned off. So they're both blowing really good. Oh, actually might be dropping a little bit. It was at 176. This fan kicked on, so I think we might be good, man. We're good now. Now we got that fixed, we get the AC going. This wire goes to the AC line, compressor works the fan. So we got to tidy up all these wires and carry a cool level, but we are good now. Beautiful. Love this Elderbrock. Man, it's still holding. Man, we got it going on now, baby. Love it. Oh, she sounds good. Look at that. Look at that. 172. Okay, the update is that the radiator fixed it. The new radiator is, so now I can drive it all over town and never even hit 200. I think 196 is the hottest I've gotten. So when I drove it all over Cleveland yesterday and then went all over to Udawald, Chattanooga, cruising all the red lights, get stuck at red lights, and she never heated up. So let me show you the new radiator once it's installed there. All right, can't stay off the phone long enough to make a video. So yes, that's a bigger, wider radiator with a dual flow. Comes in and goes back twice. Good indication that the inlet and outlet's the same side. So now my field's on this side. Bigger fan. It's a 16-inch fan, a 12-inch fan. I've got this one wired through the Elderbrock. Comes on at 175, and that one's wired through the temp sensor in the core, and it's at 180. And I'm probably gonna, I've got it run hot. That one there run hot, but she's running like 25 to 30 minutes after I shut it off. So I'm probably gonna put it on the ignition switch. And but yeah, she's staying cool, man. The hottest I've seen it gets 196. So for a big, technically it's a 498 big block. So technically that is running really cool. I put this vent tube on there yesterday to vent the crankcase. I've got to cut it. I just stopped at the parts store while I was out driving and bought one off the shelf and just stuck it on there. I need to cut it and put it on, and that should help with some crankcase pressure. And so yeah, so we're getting there, man. We're getting there. I ain't had to clean an engine bay since I was a kid, so I need to clean this one up. Yes, she's a driver now. She runs out great. That fuel injection is the way to go. And yeah, one day we'll get y'all a smoky burnout video. And then maybe somebody will buy it there, Roger. All right, y'all have a good day. See ya.
When I'm not playing my bagpipes, I'm watching Life is Good. Come on now.